Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're going to talk a little bit about your bearing support bracket, and this is one right here. Now, this is the collar. Now, the collars are normally built into these, and they're straight in a number of spots, usually 4 to 6, around the periphery, which holds this. You'll notice that your support has a beveled side and a flat side, and this goes in on the beveled side, such as this. Okay, and here you can see the collar and all back in the support. Now, the collar is what the bearing rides on. Now, if you've got one of these and it's come apart like this, and it does happen occasionally, the way to put these back together is to reassemble them, and you'll notice these little straight marks on the side. You put it back together, get it flat, and then flip it over, and then on this side you're going to strike it with a punch in 4 spots. The other thing that Ken and I used to do, not to distort that collar right there, is that we'll also mix up some JB Weld or some Hysol or some other high adhesion fuel tank sealant, and we'll glue this back together, put the collar back into the support, and it's all back together. Now, the assembly, these two parts together, and if there was a bearing on here, it would be a complete assembly, and that's the 902.010-501 bearing assembly. And then the support itself, this piece, the L-shaped one, this is 902.010-1. The collar is this piece, is 902.010-3. So again, they go back together pretty much like this. Again, get some glue on there, some JB Weld or some adhesion, wipe off the excess, and then when you put it back on, your bearing collar will never pop out again. So we hope you found this useful and informative. At Yankee Aviation, we do have more of these. These occasionally do wear out. If it gets really dirty in here and the bearing spins, the bearing can actually wear the bearing support bracket, and believe it or not, in 30 years I've had to replace 2 of these on different customers' airplanes over the years. But that's unusual. These bearing support brackets are $80-something a piece. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.